Hey, that's my car. Hey, that's my house. Hey, that's my life. That could be you. You work hard, give it your all, but for some reason your dreams stays as dreams and never turn into reality. Today I'm gonna share with you a simple yet effective strategy that's perfect for beginners. Hi everyone, my name is Nathan. Like you, I used to work a regular job dreaming of a day I would stop working towards someone else's goals and finally start living my life. And you know what? Last year I made the dream come true. How did I do it? It's simple. In this video I will reveal my step-by-step strategy. And if you want even more valuable information than I can share on YouTube, click the link in the description and join my club. There I share the insights you won't find anywhere else. Let's set everything up first and pick today's key players. Oh, and don't be afraid to start small. You can even begin with just one. Many of my subscribers started that way and now make hundreds every day. My main settings are on default. Today's key players will be... Alright, adding a few stocks here. All set. Don't forget about the MACD indicator. It's our lifesaver in tricky situations. Time to get started. If I said indicators are our lifesavers, but you're still confused, then welcome to my club. There we have more time than on YouTube and I will be right by your side, explaining everything step by step. Even beginners have no difficulty getting it. The link is in this video, in the description and pinned comment. For now, access is completely free for everyone. Let's start with these guys. We see that the level was broken and the price impulsively returned to retest that level. The indicator confirms our thinking, so most likely we'll see a rebound downward here. What did I tell you? And we're just getting started. Let's move on. Let's check out this pair. Switching here, we see there was a previous rebound off a level and now we're back at it with another rebound. This means there is not enough momentum to break through. Unfortunately, the indicator isn't much help here either. It's showing uncertainty with all the lines crossing. We'll rely on the chart and go down again. Well, I made the right choice. My prediction about the chart movement was spot on. Let's move on to the next step. Now we're looking at Apple. Switching again. This time we're going up. Both the chart and the indicator point to an upward trend. And there it is, another prediction confirmed. Didn't think it could be this good? Then you will be even more surprised when you join my club, which already has over 20,000 members. I regularly host live sessions where I share proven strategies and teach new methods. And if you don't want to overthink it, just follow my steps and achieve the same great results. It's perfect for beginners and for those tired of the daily grind. If you're watching this video, you're already one step ahead. All the details and the link to my investment club are in the description and pinned comment. Alright, let's keep going. Next up is Cisco. Here is what we see. We've hit a new high, followed by a correction, which ended when candles with long lower wicks appeared. Let's confirm with the indicator. The blue line is turning upward and crossing the pink line from below, which backs up our analysis. So we're heading up to continue the trend. It worked perfectly, and I'm not slowing down. Let's keep moving. Let's circle back to these guys. Alright, we're cautiously approaching the level and breaking through it. The indicator lines confirm this. So we're moving up. Let's get to work. Everything was calculated perfectly. It's time to stop watching from the sidelines and start taking actions. Join my investment club where I not only host live sessions but I also share my key strategies and help beginners achieve real success. Spots are limited, so click the link in the description and let's get started together. Alright, let's make a few more trades. Another pair, once again we're heading up. We can see a strong trend with a minor correction, but the indicator doesn't show a reversal, so I expect we'll continue upward. Another successful move. Let's wrap up today with Apple. Making the final switch for today. We're anticipating a reversal. Let's confirm with the indicator and head straight up. This is how you can achieve these kinds of results starting small. It might seem like a dream, but it's real. That's all for now, my friend. Oh, I almost forgot. I've got a little gift for you. This gift is available for anyone who registers with my promo code. How do you get it? Just send me a message saying I want a promo code and I'll send it right away. Act fast, it's free for now. But according to YouTube rules, I must remind you that there are risks involved, even though I've done everything possible to minimize them for your comfort. The link is in the description. Get started right now.